Today, we will talk about IOTA, MIOTA, a distributed ledger designed to handle transactions between connected devices in the IoT ecosystem. IOTA is a distributed ledger designed to record and execute transactions between machines and devices in the Internet of Things, IoT, ecosystem. The ledger uses a cryptocurrency called MIOTA to account for transactions in its network. IOTA's key innovation is Tangle, a system of nodes used for confirming transactions. Billions of devices were connected to the Internet by 2020. Within this Internet of Things ecosystem, devices can exchange data and payment information with multiple other devices in transactions conducted throughout the day. IOTA intends to become the standard mode of conducting transactions on devices. Its founders have described the ledger as a public permissionless backbone for the Internet of Things that enables interoperability between multiple devices. Sergey Ivanchuglo, Sergey Popov, David Sonstibo, and Dominic Skener, who joined later, together co-founded IOTA. The project was announced in October 2015 through a post announcing a token sale in an online Bitcoin forum. The roots of IOTA go back to the Gin project. Criticism of IOTA has mainly centered around its technical flaws. As with most cryptocurrencies, IOTA's system is nascent and unproven. An attack on its network resulted in the theft of MIOTA worth $3.94 million. IOTA's developers are supposed to have. Although IOTA's market capitalization was still down substantially from its 2017 highs, this cryptocurrency's fortunes showed signs of improving by late 2020. It started 2020 with a market capitalization of $446 million and was above $900 million as of December 19, 2020. IOTA's solution to Bitcoin's problems is to do away with several key concepts and topographical constraints of a blockchain. MIOTA, IOTA's cryptocurrency, is pre-mined and consensus of transactions occurs differently compared to a blockchain. IOTA developers have proposed a new data structure known as Tangle. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. IOTA is a distributed ledger developed to handle transactions between connected devices in the IoT ecosystem, and its cryptocurrency is known as MIOTA. 2. It began life as a hardware project whose goal was to design low-cost general-purpose processors. 3. It aims to solve key scalability and performance issues with Bitcoin by replacing its blockchain with Tangle, a system of nodes in which each new transaction confirms 2 previous transactions. 4. IOTA has its own set of scaling problems, and some aspects of this cryptocurrency were vulnerable to hacks. 5. Although IOTA's market capitalization was still down substantially from its 2017 highs, this cryptocurrency's fortunes showed signs of improving by late 2020. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.